So good morning guys, welcome to my channel. It's Yuki here. Merry Christmas. We decided to stop by the beach. I wanted to do a twilight scene, but I'm not gonna do all that. But we're at the beach right now. We're just gonna join a little bit before we go home.
You was better off walking with your damn socks. Right?
Say hi guys.
Recording?
Really?
Yeah, recording. I'm gonna call you the stalker, the blogger stalker. The blogger stuff.
What the? There you go. You're all in the screen.
Yo, if you watch me.
Say hi.
Oh yeah?
I wonder if the water's... I can't go near the water. Oops, wrong button. Hazel. Hi. This vlog short. It's so full in here. Look, you can squeeze them. Squeeze them. Wait, this way. Number 1 minion.
Wow.
Second minion. Oh. Third minion.
That's beautiful.
Nah, I'm not putting that on. The 4th minion. What? The 5th minion.
I'm a sailor.
Ami, Merry Christmas. You got it? Take it. Take it. Now you failed on this one. Bye. Bye. Merry Christmas. Your bone? Yes, you do. You like your bone. Thank you, Mommy and Bobby. Bye. What did you get for Christmas? Because we see the we only see the PS4. You got another one.
Another one. Now we can both play. And another copy of GTA Digital. That way we can both play. It's going to be awesome and amazing and so much fun. So now we can just go around stabbing each other all the time.
Yes, and make more money for me.
Yes! Oh my god, that means we just need like one random person. So
Hazel.
Well, it would be me, you, Hazel, and then, you know, whoever we invite to the party. It's going to be so awesome!
Well, I'm glad you enjoy your PlayStation 4.
Thank you
Again, what was the name of this one going to be?
I don't know. I got to think.
Please don't let it be number 3, number 4.
The question number...
No, Loquisha number 4.
Aww.
No more Loquisha.
Alright. I gotta figure out a name for it. It's gonna be awesome. Oh look, and we get Uncharted again.
I beat that damn game.
I sold it, but they're coming out with a...
Yeah, so, that's awesome. So you don't even have to sell this one because it's add-ons, right?
It's an add-on. But
Awesome.
You know what? I don't think you even need the original disc for that new add-on. I think it's a standalone. Where you can just buy it and, you know... Doesn't matter. We got another copy. So that's gonna be fucking...
I'm glad you're happy. That's you?
Yo, what is that? What are those? Get it, Neko.
Get it, Nico. Get it.
It's the first time he plays in such a long time.
Wow, he's legit trying to eat it. You know that, right?
That's how they play.
Well, stuff was cool.
I'll take it off.
So the way he... Like if it's the head and the neck, he was like...
Oh my god, you still act like a kid. Look, you old little fart. Come here.
Yeah, he caught that shit quick.
Well, fine. Look. You don't play with the ball.
Yeah, no, he doesn't play with it. He doesn't play with it. Let me see that toy. No.
No.
That's right, Nico. She's like, I have my own Nico. Mira, look, I have my own toys, Nico. Play with your toys, Nico. Merry Christmas. Play with your toys.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. Jesus, it's gonna be a mess of
toys everywhere.
toys, cat weed. It's gonna be everywhere. She's gonna pop that any minute.